animal fight, part 1.
Or shovers. No, this is a portable animal fight. Oh gosh. I have no shield! Shh. Quiet down. Thank you. Ugh. Hi. Both of you, 2 of them hit you, and 1 didn't. Oh. I know. Stop. Stop, you can't do that. Last one. Oh. Come on. Ow! That's my stomach. There has to be some over here. Bunny! Bunny! Huh? They can't see! We have to be standing up for this game when we're recording it! Bang! Oh. Huh? Cat versus dog. Cat versus... No. Hi. Oh no! No! She hit my leg! I'm going down! Like, that's right, you are! This! We have to be standing up, pause. We have to be standing up. No! That's not part of it! Now you made me push your bed! Stop! That's not part of it! Just going animal.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
No, it's not over yet!